Your joints aren't breaking down because of age. They're breaking down because your body is missing what it needs to repair them. Most people treat joint pain with rest or medication. But the real issue is what your body isn't getting. These 7 foods give your joints the compounds they need to rebuild. Food 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s matter for one specific reason: inflammation. When your joints are under stress, your body releases inflammatory signals. Those signals cause swelling, heat, and that deep aching stiffness that gets worse when you sit too long or wake up in the morning. Omega-3 fatty acids help regulate that inflammatory response, not by masking it, but by giving your body the compounds it needs to control it naturally. They also support synovial fluid, the liquid that cushions the space between your joints. That fluid prevents cartilage from grinding directly against itself. When it breaks down, movement becomes rough. That's when you feel it with every step. 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week can make a real difference. If you don't eat fish, a quality fish oil supplement can help fill that gap. Food 2. Eggs. Eggs contain amino acids your joints rely on to rebuild, especially glycine and proline. These are used to form collagen, the main structural protein in cartilage. And cartilage is what cushions your joints and keeps movement smooth. When collagen production slows, cartilage starts to thin. That's when joints feel weaker, less stable, and more sensitive to pressure. Your body can produce some of these amino acids, but not always in the amounts needed for consistent repair. Eggs give your body direct access to the building blocks it needs, not as a quick fix, but as steady support for the repair process. Food 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits are one of the main sources of vitamin C, and vitamin C matters for one critical reason: collagen formation. Your body cannot build collagen without it. Low vitamin C means weaker collagen and weaker joint structure over time. Cartilage becomes more fragile, and joints become more prone to stiffness and irritation. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant. It helps protect joint tissue from ongoing damage, so it doesn't just support rebuilding. It helps preserve what you already have. Food 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and connective tissue compounds. These mirror the structure of your joints. Cartilage, ligaments, and tendons are built from these same materials. When your body lacks them, joints lose cushioning, movement becomes rough, and stiffness sets in. Bone broth provides glycine, proline, and gelatin, the exact compounds your body uses to repair joint tissue. Instead of forcing your body to build everything from scratch, you're giving it what it already uses. Food 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, and curcumin helps regulate inflammation. When your joints are irritated, your body increases inflammatory activity. That's meant to protect you. But when it stays elevated, it starts breaking tissue down instead of repairing it. That's when swelling lingers, stiffness doesn't go away, and pain becomes constant. Curcumin helps bring that response back under control. Turmeric is also better absorbed with black pepper, which helps your body actually use it. Food 6. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, and antioxidants help fight oxidative stress. Every day, your joints are exposed to internal stress that produces free radicals. Over time, those break down cartilage and connective tissue. Leafy greens contain compounds that neutralize that damage. They don't just support repair, they help protect your joints from ongoing breakdown. Food 7. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and key nutrients. These help regulate low-grade inflammation in the body. Not all inflammation is obvious. Some stays low and constant in the background. Over time, that leads to stiffness, reduced mobility, and cartilage breakdown. Nuts and seeds provide omega-3s, vitamin E, and magnesium. These support a more stable internal environment where joints can recover. This isn't about instant relief, it's about reducing the constant stress your joints are under. Your joints don't break down overnight, and they don't rebuild overnight either. But when your body gets the compounds it needs consistently, it starts to repair what's been slowly wearing down. Not by forcing it, but by supporting how your body already works.